Gary from Remap and Revive here with this 2015 Audi A3 1.6 diesel. It's done 65,000 miles. The engine management light has been coming on for a few months intermittently, and it's been going into various garages. They've suspected a DPF problem but have been unable to pinpoint it. So the car hasn't been losing performance, so the owners kept driving it. Booked us to come and potentially do a DPF clean today. We've looked at the DPF. All of the figures in the live data add up that the car is looking after itself perfectly well, despite the DPF Low Efficiency error code that appears. So we've saved the cost of a liquid chemical clean because we don't believe one's going to help. Doing an engine carbon clean instead because the car hasn't had one yet in its life, and we are just getting the engine and exhaust back into a better working state and operating more efficiently.